Welcome to a quick walkthrough of a 3-bedroom at Heathergate. This unit is 1,120 square feet and prices start at $1,144 a month. When you first walk in, you'll be in your large living room. You have a coat closet right as you enter. On the other side of the living room, you have a sliding glass door which leads out to your own personal patio. You'll then head through to your dining room and into the open kitchen with a breakfast bar. Your kitchen comes with a fridge, microwave, dishwasher, and garbage disposal. Through your kitchen is a small laundry room that has a full-size washer and dryer. Shelving has also been installed to hold your detergents. Back through the dining area is the hallway which leads to the bedrooms and bathroom. At the beginning of the hallway is bedroom number 1, which has one window with all new blinds and a large closet. Back out of the bedroom, you have a closet in the hallway with plenty of extra storage space. The hallway bathroom is a full bathroom with a shower, toilet, and vanity. The second bedroom is the same with the first, having a window with all new blinds and a large closet. Here is another large storage closet in the hallway. Here's the large master bedroom. The vanity with a large mirror is in its own separate area. Through the first door, you have your massive walk-in closet. Through the second door is the bathroom with the toilet, shower, as well as an extra storage behind the door.